Hello my YouTube family, welcome again my new video with new topic. So now this video I am going to share with you uh, some important topic for improve English, for getting fluency. And this video I am gonna share with you some and very important, very necessary for every beginners. They want to speak this language like a fluent in English, but they don't know how to improve English, how to start speaking English, and where I should start speaking English, improving English. But they just want to speak this language, they just want to have a dream, they just want to speak this language like a fluent in English speaker, but they don't know where I should start speaking, where I should start learning English for getting fluency. So that's why in this video I am going to share with you some and very important trick, physiological trick for getting fluency. So if you are a beginner, then this video is going to be very helpful for you, and I highly recommend you should watch this video very till the end, because this video just I want to share with you very important physiological trick. Okay friends, so without so friends, without further delay, let's start this video. First trick is physiological trick. Stop trying to be perfect. Why I just tell you to be perfect? When you just try to be perfect. When I learn all the English things like grammar, tenses, pronunciation, a lot of vocabulary, and a lot of things, when I learn, okay, then I will start speaking in front of anyone people. Okay, so I think this thing, it is very wrong for every learners who wants to speak English language. This is very wrong. Why I just tell you wrong? Because friends, English speaking, it's need a practice, not a very perfect, not a very perfection. Okay, that's why I just tell you start speaking today onwards without perfection. Okay, I know you are a beginner, same like me. I'm always beginner. Okay, so but I can speak little bit now. Okay, so friends, just speak English. Okay, not wait when I learn all the things. When I learn all the things, then I speak. Okay, not wait. Okay, not wait. There is no any kind of perfection. Today is your perfect day, so today you have to do, and today you are perfect for speak this language. So just you can speak English today. Okay, from the today onwards, your perfect day. That's why I tell you, don't think about that. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. Okay friends, so I think you get it my point, what I try to say. If you, then I start my next trick, physiological trick, which I want to share with you. Next is, okay, focus on your message. Why I tell you focus on your message, not word. First is, you just need to focus, convey your message. Okay, if you capable convey your message, that's great for you. If you not, so just you try to improve. Okay, and if you want to just convey your message in anyone people, in like your friend circle, someone, and any stranger, you want to just speak and you want to just convey your message, and you are capable to convey your message, that's good, that's very good for you. And if you not, and if you just have little amount of, I would say, little English vocab, so but you are capable to convey a message, so that's enough, not need to advance word, advance vocab. Next is power of repetition. Why I tell you power of repetition? Because friends, there is a lot of things available, but I don't know, you don't know, who don't know, they want to speak English, how to speak. So in the very beginning day, you just need to repetition, like a imitation. You just read a particular line, phrases, vocab, story, any kind of, you just read, and you don't know how I can convey my message and in my own words. So just you have to pick these particular phrases and you have to go Google and just translate it. Then you just repeat, try again and again. Today, next day, 1 week, after 1 month. Just repeat this word. Then you will master this word because you just repeat and repeat. Okay, so the power of repetition, it's very important. It's very important. Okay, friends. So, for example, one line. Okay, I don't. I'm not sure, but I think. You don't know this line. You don't know this line meaning, but you just repeat again and again, again and again. Then this particular phrase sit in your mind. Sit in your mind. Then you are capable to speak naturally. Yes, I'm not sure, but I think. I'm not sure, but I think. So that's why the power of repetition, it's very important for every beginners. They wants to speak English. So do just do. It's need. Okay, friends. So it's need to do this.